Alright, so this is what happens when the robot or people are on a lot of alcohol on a Monday. This is what happens when you just miss the weld completely.
This is the finest Chinese engine hoist you
This
can buy
is
from
this thing
Harbor
will
Freight.
this will hold up an entire engine, maybe.
They say 1 ton, man.
No, that's actually like 0.5 now because of that.
Listen, it'll be just fine for anything that's coming out of here.
Yeah, I mean nobody's be under it, or we could just weld it up. Why don't we do practice welding there?
No, not worth it. I'll keep this nice and pristine. I just built this thing.
Is this Harbor Freight?
Mm-hmm.
You should post on Harbor Freight, be like, hey, what the F?
Get rid of stuff.
The people have to know.
They have to know about the old goop.
Yeah, the goop. Sound deadening. And that's why Bimmers are so quiet. Oh, we still have to make a panel up for the
Yeah, I know.
sunroof.
Yeah, I figure we can get what's this? Alumalite, I believe is the stuff that one of the guys used for diffuser.
Alumalite? What is it made of?
I think it's some sort of composite material.
Strange.
Yeah, I mean, if we don't have time to actually, make a nice panel for that, we can just always bolt something in. I mean, or worst comes to worst, epoxy something in.
Yeah.
And then just do a few rivets. But we also have to get rid of the spare tire well too, because that's where the diffuser is going to go.
Somebody getting pulled over? Yeah, we're probably just better off cutting it out of there.
Yeah, we're just going to have to cut it out.
Yeah, and then just replace it with a sheet metal with maybe some bracing on top of it. You know what I mean? Keep it from...
I don't know if the guy actually did any bracing, to be honest with you, but we could do it.
I think we could do like a couple cross braces across here.
There's what Greg said he had a guy do is yeah, definitely don't.
I'm just taking video.
So what Greg said he did is he had a guy, he just had a local muffler shop do just a straight pipe backflow. He said it was the easiest thing to do, and actually it was cheaper than buying the pipe himself.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, so the engine's back together. Everything's back together in the front end, as you can see. Wheels changed out, new coolant, water for coolant, power steering fluid. It's coming together, runs. We're just waiting on the roll cage, which actually we're going to be doing a little test weld today. That's why I have this chunk of metal.
Alright, you're all set. Survey says.
Survey says it might be hot. Probably can break it off. But, I mean, penetrated. I still think we should somehow try to get that all over it.
Buddy, I don't have the 225 here. It's the same problem as the old house, man. Listen, we did the 928 gauge.
I know that. How long was that cord? Wonder what the power, how much lower the power is. Do you know if it's a 20 amp or a 15 amp?
Alright, recording. You're good.
I'm not gonna try. I'm just gonna leave the bead on here. It's not right about this.
Turtle and E is on. We have gas.
It's not running straight.
Alright. How's the tip look on there?
It's still contacting her. I mean, nothing's a problem. It's just not getting anywhere. It seems like it's low power on me. I think A's the lowest.
Yeah.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I got to like to love you, love you. Ha. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to.
Not bad.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, we're good.
Touch go parked, weld.
Yeah, we're good. We just gotta get a self-docking mask. Okay. When?
Ugh. Super ugly. I think I need to move quicker.
Was that one right there?
The two butters.
You just gotta get more consistent when you can move. I was going too slow with mine, but I wanted to penetrate, you know?
Okay. So what do you mean more consistent? Just kind of...
You want to make sure you're moving consistently and straight. And not hold it sideways like that.
Oh, don't hold it sideways?
No, they say, from what I remember reading up on it,
Yeah.
piece went and got my toe. But you got to hold the tip like this, at like almost like 45-degree angle, and push towards it.
Oh, so I'm pushing.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm doing complete... I couldn't be doing it more wrong in that case. All right.
That looks good.
How's it?
Looks good, man.
Ish.
No, that's good. For welding on a flat surface, I mean, you're going to get that. Now what you can really try is you can take that, throw it on there, and weld around it.
This one
Or
here.
maybe we could put it like right in the middle there. Like, not like that, like in the middle.
Oh, yeah. What do you mean?
Hey.
There?
Yeah. Then weld the bottom of it.
That seems incredibly difficult to get to.
When? Yeah, it's not too bad. It's
Well,
not better when you first started welding back in the years.
It's not on, but yeah, other than that, it's great.
What do you mean it's not on?
Oh, it's not on the...
Well, you did better than they did on your little thing over there. You know?
Ugh, that's not saying much, but...
You know what I can do, right?
Yay! I got a decent weld.
There you go, buddy.
I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead.
I mean, I think we've proven point that this is good.
Alright, cool. So it works. We have flux. This isn't that hot, even though it definitely still moves around.
Well, it's because you only have one corner welded. You can weld all the sides, it'd be a lot better. And plus, that's so thin compared to the thick bottom, it's really hard to get a good, you know.
It's over penetrating though?
It's not penetrating the 1/4 inch enough. That's probably the max you can go with this thing.
Oh no, it is. It's on E.
It might be 1/8 inch for this. Look it up. See what the WaterPak 125's max MIG welding is. I know for flux-cored it's a lot lower.
I mean, we're only going to the... Maybe here it's one of these.
14 gauge?
I think it's 14. So... 14
You
gauge.
can do aluminums, but
Yeah,
you just have to have a gun for it.
Yeah, apparently it'll go to 12. No, apparently it'll go to 10 gauge.
1/4 inch is 6 millimeter. That's what mine goes to, I think, at home.
So it goes to
14 gauge? Or
12. 12 is the max.
12 gauge?
So yeah, 12 is what we're doing anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's like a little under or under 1/8.
Yeah.
That's why we're having so much trouble on that.
Yeah, of course, not meant to do it.
Mm-hmm.
That's alright. So...
Yeah, so that does it for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on this car and the progress So progress is good, as you can see. It's back rolling. All the stuff is fixed. We have the oil pan in. A lot of the power steering. We changed the power steering lines, coolant, everything, and it's pretty much ready to drive. We do want to go through the back subframe though, so we're going to do that eventually. But first, we're going to do the roll cage, which we should get in about a week or two. And it's going to be a little bit of a tight deadline, so we're going to have to get that thing really made quickly. But yeah, if you guys would, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and comment and like this video. And there will be more of this to come soon. I know I'm not very consistent with it, but you know, it is what it is. So try to make it a little more consistent and show you the race when we're done. All right. So everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching.